Right guys, I'm going to show you something I joined the other day and I've been very impressed with from day one. It's called Eazybot. Now this is a crypto trading bot. Now before I get into the video, I want to show you what it isn't, okay? Because there's some massive differences here that you need to understand, that separates from the bots and the other bots, crypto bots, and the other scams. There's a lot of scams going around at the moment. Talking which I'll show you one that's doing the rounds as we speak, and is about to, I think they're about to exit with people's money, and that is this one. You may have been see people touting this, and this is not, I'm not getting you involved in this because this is garbage and this is a scam. I don't care. People are getting paid by it. What happens is with these types of scams, and there's another one called Swapnex, I think it was that got that suddenly disappeared this week, pretty much promising the same things. Now, what this one does, it promises you a return of about 3 to 3.5% every day, and it automatically compounds. And these YouTubers are getting paid. They're showing proof, which gets more people involved, and then all of a sudden they disappear. And I've already seen people posting about this, that they've all of a sudden they've not been able to get their money out. So I'm giving this a couple more days before these guys are gone. So if you're part of this, I'm very sorry, but you're probably about to lose your money. But these are just Ponzi's, and you have to give them your cryptocurrency and they trade it. Well, they're not trading it. It's a Ponzi. They pay some people like YouTubers and that to get all the hype going, and then they're gone. Right? So what I'm about to show you is completely different. These guys, they've got fake. They've got stock videos. They've got fake addresses and all sorts. Anyway, enough of them. This is completely different, and the reason is, one, they do not have any of your money. You keep it on your trading account. All right, that's a massive thing. So you are in complete control of your own money. Secondly, they have a Zoom call. I think pretty much every day. I think 5 or 6 days a week. I've been on 2 or 3 of them this week, and you've got all the guys behind it, and you can ask them face to face your questions. You don't get that with scams. You'll be lucky if you get an email back from support. So they're totally upfront. They don't have your money. It's happy days, and this thing is working. Now, I've been learning pattern trading, what we call pattern trading, for about the last 7 or 8 months. So I've been crypto trading the last 7 or 8 months, and it's not easy. It is not easy, especially with the market. The markets at the moment are just dire. All stock markets, everything's crashing, everything's in red, and it's hard to trade. It is really hard to trade. However, and this is the third thing that this makes this bot so brilliant, is this bot works whether the market's going up or whether the market's going down. Now, I joined Sunday night. It is now Friday afternoon here in the UK. I set up my bots and press start, and it's been doing its thing. Some bots, I've got 10 bots running. Well, actually, this one I've stopped. This one, I'll get to that one in a minute. And they're doing the thing. This one's of $9. This one's nearly $17. $5, $9. Not very much. I'm stopping. That one's going to get closed out because that's not doing much. That's Dogecoin. That usually moves every time Elon Musk makes a Twitter post. So I can change that one out. This one's killing it. $33, nearly $34. It's that one's must have made over $10 just today, and that was made 9. So they're all like making money, but the market. Let me just show you the market. Okay, this is Bitcoin. This is a 5-minute, but so I joined on Sunday. This is my point about bots. Now, the thing about bots, right? Let me just show you the weekly. This is Bitcoin. Let me enlarge this so you can see it. Oops. Right. This is the Bitcoin weekly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're in the 8th red week. We're going. It's been in a downtrend for 8 weeks. That is a record for Bitcoin. I mean, look, you've got some green candles there, and this is 8 red weeks in a row. Now, most bots, and there's a lot of bots out there, and legitimate ones, not like the scammy ones I showed you, legitimate bots, but they tend to work when the market's going up. So they're all when the market's going up, well, they're all raving how good the bots are. But when the market's coming down, it's like they go silent because the bots have stopped working. They can't work when the market's going down. However, Eazybot can. It doesn't matter if the market's going up or down, it still works. I mean, so let me break down to the my week, so the daily. So this is today. Yesterday was a good day. We had a green day. So what happens is with Bitcoin, when Bitcoin goes up, all the altcoins kind of follow. It drags the altcoins about. You do get the odd anomaly. There are some coins that will just do their own thing, but generally Bitcoin drags them about. So yesterday was a good day. The day before, awful. The day before that, average. And so really, I've only had a couple of green days out of this bot, and the market's just been awful, really. But the bot has made money. It's making money. And the thing about this is you can get started for free. You can join and get 2. You're allowed to, as a free member, you're allowed 2 bots to get to join. When you join as a free member, you're allowed 2 bots and you can get them running. So I'll show you how easy it is to set up a bot. So I've got this one. I've paused this one out. It's made money, but it's been slow. So here, I'm using, this is Trading View. There is a free version. This is a paid version, but there's a free version, so you could, I think you can track your bots in the, track your coins in the free version. But you don't need it. You don't need it. But I do trading anyway. But all the ones in purple here, these are all the ones that I've got a bot running on. So this percentage here is the change today. All right. So not looking too hot today. All right. So I've changed by %. So we've only got a few green ones. So what I'll do, let's have a look. We'll have a look at this one. So that's been down. Let's have a look. Right, let's add this one. When you add your coins, I would stick to coins that are small market cap, because you want them to, if you invest in the larger cap coins, there's not so much wiggle room. They don't move. There's not the volatility that you need. So stick to those smaller cap coins. Like this one's just been from day one. That's been. If you look at let's go to the hourly. Look, it's been up and down, and that's what's making you money. That's what's making the money. Every time it goes up, down. It's making trades all the time. The bot's doing your trading all the time. So let me just show you that one. Let's go to look today. These are today. Look, this is one that's in trade now. This is one it closed out, profit, closed out, profit, closed out, profit, closed out, profit. These are today. So load some more up, closed out, profit. So it does. It just keeps doing its thing, doing its thing, doing its thing. So let's set this bot up. Let's delete. I'm deleting this one because it's been a bit. It's not really not a lot of movement on it. So I'll get rid of it. I don't care. Let's get rid of it. Just click on that cross. Yeah, get rid. Okay, I should be able to add a new one now. Let's give that a refresh. So now I can add a new bot. So what was that bot that I said? What was it? I can't remember what I said now. Oops. Was it this one? CRV. Let's add that one. I'll just call it CRV. Okay, select exchange. CRV. There it is, that one. Okay, so you got the bot option is cycle or single. So single, what a single will do, it'll do a trade, and as soon as that trade wins, the bot will stop. Whereas cycle, it'll make the trade when it cashes it out and it's made a profit. It instantly starts another trade. Okay, starts doing different trades. All right, so I like to keep them cycled. Status active. Right, we've got auto compounding, leave it on. You can edit these. You can edit these bots. You can change all these settings. I don't even know what these settings do, and I don't care. When I get more advanced into it, but these guys have tested this, to the hilt to make it work. So why would you want to? I don't know really why you'd want to mess with these unless you got following a particular coin and you know which way it's going to go or something. I don't know, but anywho, so that's it. You can put in how much you want to have on this coin. Now, if I put $1,000 into this coin, have that as $1,000, it's not going to, on the first trade, put $1,000 into it. So let's leave it on 1,000. In fact, now I'll put 600. 600. Okay, so look, my initial order is going to be $20. Okay, so it will do a $20 trade. If I did 1,000, oops, it's $34. Well, we'll keep it at 1,000. Let's do 1,000 then. All right, and that's it. He's set up. Just click save. Boom. Right. So in a second, that will make a trade. That will go out. It'll go to Binance, have a look, and it'll put a trade on for me. And then when it's made a profit, it just does its thing, and you see your profits coming up. Now, they're not promising you 5% profits there, 3.5% a day, compounded every day. They're not making any wild claims, anything like this. This is proper trading, guys. This is not make-believe, Ponzi garbage. This is proper trading. But do not, as I mentioned, they do have compounding. Now, the power of compounding is immense. Let me just show you. So let's say you started with $2,000, and let's say you only got 0.5% interest a day. Now, at the moment, the market is awful. It is dire. So as I've shown you, the bots are still making money. When the market's going shooting up, which it will. It won't be bad. It won't remain bad forever. This bot is just going to kill it. I mean, it's making money now. What it's going to do when the market's good is it's crazy. Anywho, I'll be making more videos when that happens. Anyway, so let's say 12 months. Calculate at 0.5%, not 4%, 5% a day, 0.5%. You would make 10-year $2,000, well, into nearly $12,500. That is the power of compounding, guys. It makes a massive difference. Compounding makes a huge difference. Now, it is, as I said, it is free to join. You can get set up. You can test it out. I suggest you do. I suggest you test it out for free. Get to know the system. I'd get on the Zoom calls so you can see all the transparency. Ask away. Ask the questions. You can ask me the questions. Now, there are two. You can upgrade. I have upgraded. The only difference is a free member, you get 40% commission if you promote it and anybody upgrades, you get 40% commission. As a paid member, you get 40% commission. But as a paid member, you also get a percentage of winning trades from people you bring in. So let me show you. So this is my wallet. Now this is the only money that has been put onto the system. So if you want to upgrade, you add money, you basically deposit money to upgrade. Okay. You also put a bit of balance on to cover the cost of the trade. So every time you've made a winning trade, as a free member, it takes 30% deduction from that winning trade. Okay. As a paid member, you only pay 20%. So, I mean, every time, all these, it's took 20% off each winning trade. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. So I added a balance of $50. I put $50 in on Sunday. So I've spent $20, which I'm not, obviously don't care because it's making me money. Okay, and all these are winning trades. Right, so you just take it. So that's only money that they've got on the system. So all the other money is in my Binance account, safe and sound. So you can upgrade. There's a $250 a year upgrade. So you get 10 bots, and you get a percentage anybody who brings in of their winning trades, which we'll go into in a minute. You can upgrade to a $1,000 member where you can have access to all their coins, which I got a list of here, which is all of these. Okay, they've got how many? Got 8. I think got 18 or 21 coins. So you can have 21 bots all pumping away. All right. However, if you upgrade, and I finally found out this today, which I thought was really good. If you upgrade for $250 today and decided, oh wow, this system's awesome, and then 3 days later you wanted to go in, you wanted all the bots, etc., you don't have to pay another $1,000 on top of the $250. They'll take the difference out. So So if you've already paid 250, you'll just pay another 750. Well, what they do, depending how long you've been at the 250 level. So if you've been in the 250 level for 6 months, they'll take $125 off you. So you won't pay as much. So I would definitely, I definitely recommend you upgrade, because them 10% add up. Plus, you do get 2 bots, but what if the 2 bots you had were that one I've just got rid of and Doge? You think, well, this isn't working. So if you've got a few bots on the go, because they're all working, they're all some days some will pop bigger than others, etc. I'll definitely have. If you are just going to sample as free, I'll definitely have this one on your as one, and that's not financial advice, but I'll definitely have that one on you. And guys, just honestly sign up for free and test it out. Right, let's have a look at this coin we just added. See what it's done. Yeah, there it is. It's putting a buy. Automatic while I was recording, it's just gone out and put a buy in, so that'll monitor that, and then when it's made a profit, it'll cash it out, put in another trade, etc. And then get signed up. Once you've signed up, message me your username, right? And I'll add you to my list, because I've got some big things planned for this, for my team. We're going to really rock this. And now let me just show you the compensation. Now, it's important you know that you make money from the bot. The bot is the main thing you make the money from. All right, you do not have to promote this if you don't want to. If you just want to make money trading, that is fine. All right, you will make money trading, but if you want to make more money, they do have an affiliate program, and you get 8% of your team's service fee. So all the service fees I just showed you, all these service fees for all these winning transactions, you get 8% of that. Now they add up. I mean, look at these. These are just flying in. Most of these from today. They're going to add up, guys, very quickly. So, although these, the bot stands on its own, there is that. If you want to earn extra as an affiliate, go for it. And I have, as I said, I've got big things planned for this. I'll be pushing this hard, and I'll be showing my team what I'm doing to push it, traffic sources, everything. All right, so get signed up. Get on the Zoom calls. I'll hook you up with a link there. Just message me your username, etc., and I'll get you in the. Make sure you're all ready to rock and roll. All right. Any questions whatsoever? Message me. You know, if you've worked with me before, you know how I bend over backwards for my teams, etc. So, guys, I'm really pumped about this. I love my crypto trading. And this is just, I think this is absolutely spot. I think it's brilliant. I think it's brilliant. I think the people behind it are brilliant too. I think as you will see. Right, I just want to give you a quick update. I recorded that video yesterday, and I came to edit it today, and I had a look at the coins that I set up. This is the one set up yesterday. All the others have gone up apart from Doge. Doge has just not done anything. When that trades out, I'll get rid of Doge and swap it out for another more. You need the more volatile coins, because you need them to go up and down. That's what makes you money. If they're just sat there doing nothing, you're not going to make money or anything either way. So anyway, this is the one we set up yesterday, and it's made $8.71. Now you see these percentages above. That's nothing to do with my portfolio. That's the actual. These are what the actual coins are doing on the networks. That's in the. I think it's in the last 24 hours. So that's gone up like 12% in the last 24 hours. Dirge has nearly 2%. There's 5, 1. So they're all different. They vary. So let me just show you what it's done. So I'll have to scroll. This is the latest trade. This was about 3/4 of an hour ago. It put that in. I did add, after I made the video, I did add another $1,000 to the balance. Now you don't have to have $1,000 actually on sat on your Binance account. It doesn't trade the whole amount; it trades a percentage of it. Get on the live trading calls, and they go over in detail what you need to learn all about the bond. You can ask all the questions in the world. And let me just show you what this is doing. They have live calls pretty much every day. So this is our initial buy. This is when I recorded the video. This 341. So, but 30 minutes later, the price must have gone down. So it's rebought in. So what it's doing is buying at a cheaper price. And what the bot's doing is it's getting your average price. Let me scroll up. You see it says here average price. It's trying to get that down as far as possible. So if you put in your initial buy like I have there and it's gone down, it buys in again at cheaper, which brings your initial price down. So if it went down a bit more, it put in another buy a bit cheaper. So when the price starts coming up, which it has done there, it sells it out at a profit. But it doesn't, because it's bought in at cheaper prices, it doesn't have to come back up that much for you to make money. Whereas if you just put in just your initial buy there and the price came down quite a bit, you'd have to sell out at quite a big loss, or you'd have to wait quite a long time for the price to come back up. All right, that's what hodlers do. Okay, they hold on and hoping the price is going to come back up. But if you're doing it in these increments like the bot does, it's buying it at a cheaper price. It only has to come up a little bit, and it'll close out all the trade completely, which it has done. It must come up a little bit, bang, got a profit, made 96 cents. Initial buy there, put in another trade straight away, made 68 cents, made 87 cents there. See, these are all just $33 trade, and another $33 trade, and then it sold the lot out 87 cents. So it's not using, even though I initially set it at $1,000, it's not using anywhere near that amount. All right, another 37 cents there, $1.86 there. Again, the price will come down. It's bought back in. This it's as you can see, it's gone $33 to 67. That is because between that time and that time, at some point, I set the bot at an extra $1,000. All right, and I'm quite glad I did, because made $1.86. Looks like I did it just in time. Made $2.36 there. Made $1.58 there, and this is the current trade. So this is in Bitcoin's in a downward trend, but still making money. What is this bot going to do when this market when it's crypto, when it's altcoin season? It's going to fly, guys. Seriously, and I'll be ready for it. I will be ready for it. These bots are going to be pumping. Tell you, if it can do this in a downtrend what's it going to do in an uptrend. Guys, get signed up. Pick 2 coins if you don't to upgrade straight away. Jump on all the lives. You can Zoom lives and we can ask questions with the people behind this. This fantastic group, they really are, and they're very helpful. I've contacted support a few times, and they've been back to me the same day, usually within an hour or so. So absolutely fantastic. I cannot fault these guys. Get signed up. Contact me with your username, and I'll hook you up with all of my marketing materials and all the other stuff that I'm bringing out to really push this. I'll help all my team. I'll hook you up with all the Eazybot links that you need, all the support and the Zoom links, etc. And get on the Zoom calls. Test it out. Get a couple of bots going. Test it out. Get on the Zoom calls. Learn all about the bots. Learn about them before you spend any money. All right. I want you to be confident. You know, you're doing the right thing. I'm not trying to rush you into spending your money. But you'll soon see that these guys are legit, and it's absolutely fantastic opportunity. All right. Any questions, just leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe, because I will be adding more videos about my progress with Eazybot and results. All right. 'Cause you're a believer.